guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically what I'm doing right now is spraying the Got2b spray on my edges to make sure my cap is laid perfectly. And then right after I finish gluing down the Got2b spray on my edges, I am then going to go in with a blow dryer and blow dry until completely dry. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a pair of scissors and just cutting off the excess cap. And this step is pretty easy. You just have to follow the lines, I guess, that you glue down. But although you do have to be very careful because you could cut your skin. For me, the easiest way I usually go about this is cutting it section by section. It's pretty easier, and you're able to like know what areas you need to cut off. And then you're gonna see me later in the video going in with the smaller scissors for better precision. Now that I'm basically satisfied with how my wig cap looks, I'm going to be going in with my foundation and just applying this all over the wig cap until I'm satisfied. You guys might see it, like you might see that it's not gonna like the color, you're gonna see the color contrast on my skin, but that's fine because I am gonna go in with alcohol after to clean off the excess makeup. You don't wanna have like makeup on that area, especially when you're gonna be gluing it down, because it is gonna be kind of messy. So yeah. So the wig that I'm going to be using for this video is from MyFirstWig.com. All customization was done by me. Excuse me. So right now, basically what I'm doing is actually trying to place the wig to see like where I'd want to glue it. I usually do this step all the time right before I glue my hair. I love to tie my hair up to make sure that I'm not like getting distracted by any hair. As you're gonna see me also like combing the flyaways away, because this is just, for me, it's just easier like that. Like that's the easiest way I like to glue my hair. I don't like it when there's like hair everywhere. Like for me, it makes it harder, and it can be really messy. especially when you're using the Ghost Bond glue. Okay, so now I am going to be going in with my Ghost Bond glue to lay down my hair. I usually, when it comes to this step, I usually like to do it step by step, in the sense that I do it by sections. I don't usually like to place the glue all over my hairline and then go in with gluing it down. I usually do section by section because that's just much easier and it's less messier, especially when using Ghost Bond glue. Like, we all know that Ghost Bond glue is one of the messiest, stickiest glue, so it's easier when you do it section by section. Now that I've completely glued down the frontal, I am now going to be going in with mousse. I don't know why I do this, but I usually like to put mousse at the hairline. I don't know, I guess it makes it look more natural. I learned this from like a hairstylist on Instagram, and I've noticed that whenever I did this step, it just made the hair look more realistic. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. In this video, I'm actually not going to be doing baby hairs. You're going to actually see me attempting to thinking to see if I was going to do it, but then I stopped because nah, maybe I should actually do this without baby hairs. I usually do baby hairs a lot, so I was like, you know what, why not do something different? But yeah, basically what I'm also going to be doing is just tying it down, and yeah. I actually got really impatient at this point, so I decided to just blow dry it. Usually I would actually wait at least 5 to 6, 7 minutes, and then I'd take it out. But this time I was actually in a rush to go somewhere after, so I didn't really have time to really wait. Yeah, that's basically it, bro. My hair looks good, okay? I'm not really going to be straightening the hair because I did straighten the hair before the video for time purposes. But yeah, the hair looks good. This is basically it. Okay, this is how I lay my frontal / slayer. Okay guys, so the video is finally coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys were able to learn a few tips from this video. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Share this video to a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!